Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I'm trying to help somebody from New Zealand. I'm lucky enough to help people all over the world. I just helped somebody a couple weeks ago from Australia. But anyway, and your text might be look different than what you sent me in the PDF because I might not have had that text. So I picked a text that is pretty close. It's Times New Roman. And he's writing a text, he puts a border, converts the outline, breaks it apart, and then he has to delete the lines. And if I understand him right, he's just trying to make that font thicker. So this is Times New Roman. It's a font. I haven't done anything to it. I'm going to left click, right click. I'm going to go to Effects and Contour to the outside. And I'm going to say rounded corners. I don't think it's going to matter in this case. 0.3. Then you don't have to delete anything because it made it thicker. But if we take it now and go to Object and break the contour apart, when you click on the center, which is the black, and move it down, you have a thicker font. I don't know if that's 100% what he's asking, but that's like 2 steps. And, I could have gone to the inside, a smaller amount. But if that's not what he was wanting, I'm sure he'll let me know. Anyway, hope that helped them and somebody in the future, and thank you for watching.